So I'll do the video on how to mount and dismount the baffles in the Furore Nero GPR exhaust system. For starters, you take the baffles, you just slide them in like this. Make sure they are sticked in to the end, and the other one as well. Then you take these circlip pliers, or pliers with a small end on the top. You take the ring. This takes normally 2 hands, so I'll try it with one. You mount the ring inside the baffles. You take the pliers, you grab the ring in the 2 holes like this, and you squeeze real tight, and just put them in like this and release, push a little bit, and then the baffle is fully mounted, can't fall out again, as you can see here. Then the other one, again, stick the circlip pliers into the holes of the ring, like so. Then you squeeze and put the ring in and release again, and that's it. The baffles are in. For dismounting them, it's just the same in the other way. You take the circlip pliers, you squeeze, and you get the ring out. You pull, you get the baffle out. The other way, the other side as well. You squeeze, take the ring out, and the baffle as well. And that's it.